people get worried or confused, they buy gold or silver. And that's happening again. This has been going on for a few thousand years, and gold and silver have always had an attraction to people throughout history. I mean, remember Jesus Christ? He was sold for 30 pieces of silver.
In a candid discussion, Jim Rogers shares his deep concerns about the impending investment crisis, which he believes will be the worst in his lifetime.
I am worried. Maybe you're not worried, but I'm extremely worried because I know the next investment crisis is going to be the worst in my lifetime.
With the global economy showing signs of vulnerability, he advises caution and highlights potential opportunities in silver and agriculture. When debt escalates, it signals that something is amiss in the financial ecosystem. We see it everywhere, from households to nations. The reliance on borrowed money has never been higher, and this is a cause for alarm. Many are oblivious to the ticking time bomb. The optimism in the markets can be misleading. When everyone is celebrating gains, it's easy to overlook the underlying issues. This is when I start to worry. A false sense of security can lead to disastrous consequences. We must understand that markets are cyclical. They rise and fall, often without warning. The current highs we experience now may soon be followed by a sharp decline. It's essential to remain vigilant and question the stability of what seems to be thriving. Historical context of market stability. History has shown us that markets cannot sustain endless growth. The longest bull run in American history began in 2009. Yet, it's vital to remember that every upward trend eventually meets a downward correction. Markets have faced crises repeatedly throughout history. Each time they have bounced back, but the journey is often painful. Look at the patterns. The signs are there if we choose to see them. Past crises have been triggered by various factors, but the common theme is usually an overextension of credit. When leverage becomes too high, the inevitable correction follows. It's a cycle as old as the markets themselves. As we reflect on past downturns, we can glean insights into our current situation. The indicators are similar, and the lessons remain relevant. We must not ignore the historical context that shapes today's financial landscape. The role of debt in the upcoming crisis. Debt is a double-edged sword. It can stimulate growth but can also lead to collapse. The current levels of debt across the globe are unprecedented. Governments, corporations, and individuals are all carrying heavy burdens. This debt accumulation creates fragility in the market. When the time comes for repayment, many may find themselves unable to meet their obligations. This could trigger a wave of defaults that ripples through the economy. The interconnectedness of today's financial systems means that one failure can lead to another. As we watch the markets, we must keep a close eye on debt levels. It's not just about the numbers, it's about the implications those numbers carry. The more we borrow, the more susceptible we become to a crisis. Anticipating market collapse. Anticipating a market collapse requires a keen sense of observation. It's not about predicting the exact moment, but rather recognizing the signs. Markets often show subtle shifts before a significant downturn. The sentiment can change quickly, and fear can spread like wildfire. We can observe the behavior of investors. When fear takes hold, panic can set in. This can lead to rapid sell-offs, further exacerbating the decline. It's crucial to remain grounded and not let emotions dictate decisions. Staying informed and aware of market trends is essential. The key is to be prepared, not reactive. By understanding the patterns and potential triggers, we can position ourselves better for whatever comes next. The all-time highs, a warning sign. All-time highs can be a double-edged sword. They often bring excitement, but they can also signal impending trouble. When markets soar to new heights, it may indicate an overheated environment. This is a time to exercise caution. Many investors may feel invincible during these periods. However, it's essential to take a step back and evaluate the situation. Highs often precede lows, and we must not forget the cyclical nature of investing. As we observe the current landscape, we must ask ourselves, are these gains sustainable? The answer may lie in the underlying fundamentals. If they don't support the current valuations, we could be in for a rude awakening. Investing strategies, gold and silver. In times of uncertainty, gold and silver often emerge as safe havens. They have withstood the test of time, offering protection against inflation and economic instability. Investing in these precious metals can provide a buffer during turbulent times. Silver, in particular, has been undervalued for years. While other assets have soared, silver remains relatively low. This presents a unique opportunity for investors looking to diversify their portfolios. It's a chance to buy low before the inevitable rise. However, timing is crucial. It's essential to approach these investments with a strategy, understand market trends, and be prepared for volatility. Gold and silver can serve as a hedge, but they're not immune to market fluctuations. Cash reserves for uncertain times. Maintaining cash reserves is a prudent strategy in uncertain times. Cash provides flexibility and security. It allows you to seize opportunities when they arise. When markets decline, having liquidity can be your greatest asset. Many investors overlook the importance of cash. They may be drawn to the allure of high-risk investments. However, cash can serve as a lifeline during market turbulence. It offers peace of mind when everything else feels unstable. As we look ahead, consider your financial position. Are you prepared for what may come? Building a cash reserve can be a smart move, allowing you to weather the storm and emerge stronger on the other side. Opportunities in silver and agriculture. In the current climate, silver presents a unique opportunity. It's undervalued compared to other assets. While many markets are reaching new highs, silver remains significantly lower than its peak. This discrepancy cannot be ignored. Investing in silver now could yield substantial returns when the market shifts. Agriculture is another sector that deserves attention. It has been depressed for years. Many investors overlook agriculture, focusing instead on more glamorous options. However, this creates an opportunity for those willing to dig deeper. Buying low in agriculture could pay off handsomely in the future. As markets fluctuate, agriculture often gets swept up in the broader downturn. Yet, when recovery begins, it's likely to be one of the first sectors to rebound. It's essential to consider these factors when planning your investment strategy. Timing your entry into agriculture could be the key to success. The longest bull market in history. The current bull market has lasted longer than any in American history. It began in 2009 and has defied expectations. Yet history teaches us that all good things must come to an end. The longer a bull market continues, the more cautious we should be. Investors often become complacent during long bull runs. They forget the lessons of history. It's vital to remember that markets are cyclical. A downturn is inevitable, and it's crucial to be prepared for it. As we analyze the current landscape, we must ask tough questions. Are valuations justified? Are underlying fundamentals strong? If not, we need to reconsider our positions. The longest bull market may soon give way to a necessary correction. The US dollar, a safe haven? The US dollar is often seen as a safe haven during turbulent times. Many flock to it when uncertainty looms. However, it's essential to question this perception. While the dollar may provide temporary security, it's not infallible. In a crisis, the dollar can strengthen as investors seek safety. But this can be a double-edged sword. Holding cash in dollars might provide short-term stability, but it could also hinder growth opportunities. Timing your exit from cash is critical. As you consider your investments, weigh the pros and cons of holding the dollar. It might serve you well in the short term, but be prepared to pivot when the time is right. The key is to remain flexible and responsive to market changes. Looking ahead, navigating investments requires a clear strategy. The market will continue to present challenges and opportunities. Staying informed and adaptable is essential. As conditions change, so too should your approach. If you're concerned about your financial security and are thinking about investing, check out the first link in the description. It's the platform I use, Interactive Broker. Found this video helpful? If you did, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on future uploads.